Good afternoon. Welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. Clicked on to the long-range weather forecast discussion for June 20th through July 1st. June 20th to 24th, we have persistent upper low or trough here over southeast Canada, ridge over eastern Pacific, and we have a trough that retrograded from the east into the west central states. And this trough here will give way to a warming ridge expect to build across the east central states later in the period. So this is the 20th, and we go to the period. We come to the 24th. Here's the ridge down here, and it's to gradually build later in the period. But the models are good agreement with this. Some of them push the models, the trough well into the west. So during this period, we will have a series of troughs that are forecast to drift from the northwest into the Rockies, northern plains to Canada. These systems will present a threat of locally heavy rain and severe convection. So we're going to go to Tuesday, 2 p.m. That's tomorrow. And we can see we have a low here, a little bit of rain. We also have rain here across the Tennessee Valley, southeast. And then we look at the European, it's similar, but if you notice that the low is further to the north compared to the GFS. And then we'll go to 2 a.m. on Wednesday. We have heavy rain in Central Plains, rain parts of the Mid-Atlantic. And then we go to 8 p.m. Wednesday. Now we have more widespread rain here across the east. This is the GFS. And then we look at the European. The rain's not as widespread as compared to the GFS as we go back here. But you see what I'm getting at. There's a lot of heavy rain in the central Mississippi Valley and the lower Mississippi Valley. And then we'll go to Thursday, 8 a.m. Now you can see there's heavy rain here, storms. Then we'll go to 8 p.m. And now we have widespread rain here Thursday with the low right over the Mid-Atlantic states. And then we look at the GFS. It's similar, widespread rain and storms. And we go to Friday, same thing. And then we start getting a little break, but here's more rain and storms breaking out. This is on the 22nd. We have heavy rain and storms here. So you get the drift, what I'm trying to tell you. Still a continuation. No rest for the weary, where flooding is going on, still heavy rain and severe storms. Okay, June 23rd to the 27th. Nearly zone of flow is forecast across much of the nation, with a trough in the west, ridge in the east. You know, you'll see what I'm talking about. And we come to the 27th. A little bit of ridge starting to build up here. Trough well into the west, covering the west central states. So all in all, this is what we're forecasting for this period. I'm forecasting below normal temperatures from the Rockies to the Pacific coast. Forecasting anomalies of 2 to 4 degrees below normal, maybe a little higher. And above normal temperatures forecast from the plains to the Pacific coast, with anomalies of 2 to 4 degrees above normal for precipitation. Calling for above normal precipitation across much of this area here, and the probability of occurrence is near 55%, and that'll be more like in the Mississippi Valley into the Midwest. And then we have below normal precipitation for this region here. Probability of occurrence is 35%. Now we're looking at the period for June 28th through July 1st. And the pattern becomes more amplified compared to what was in the previous period. We have a fairly deep trough here in the west, ridge here in the east. Miles of good agreement. So for this forecast period, I am forecasting below normal temperatures from the Pacific coast into the upper Mississippi Valley. And I'm forecasting anomalies of 4 to 6 degrees below normal. and we have above normal temperatures here with anomalies of 2 to 4 degrees above normal for precipitation, calling for below normal precipitation for the northwest and for this region here, and the probability of occurrence is 35%. And then again, above normal precipitation for much of this area here, and the probability of occurrence is 45 to 55%. That's the long range weather forecast discussion for June 20th through July 1st. Thanks for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.